हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पोषणपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. I welcome everybody to the Swadhyaya Jnana Yajna program by Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is a lecture series on Gheranda Samhita by Dr. Indulata Das, Director, Academy of Yoga and Oriental Studies, Bhubaneswar. This is lecture number 70 and lecture number 70 of Gheranda Samhita and lecture number 5 of 5th chapter of Gheranda Samhita. Today we discuss about definition of pranayama, division of pranayama, benefits of pranayama, siddhis of pranayama, etc. Now first let us see what is the definition of pranayama. Yoga Sutra says tasmin sati swasa praswasa gati vichhedah pranayama. That means after asana is perfected, the discontinuity of inhalation and exhalation is pranayama. So retention of air is pranayama. Number 2, Kurma Purana says pranaha swadeha jo vayu rayamasta nirodhanam. That means air in the body is known as prana. Control of it, nirodha, stopping it, or control of it is pranayama. Number 3 is Gorakhya Satakam. It says prana deha sthita vayu rayamasta nibandhanam. That means the air in the body is called prana, control of prana is pranayama. Thus, retention of air is pranayama or kumbhaka is pranayama. Now, airs in the body. There is only one in the body that is called prana. It assumes various names in various places. It assumes various names according to its place and its functions. The Gheranda Samhita says we get the names of the airs in Gheranda Samhita like this. Pranopana samanas chodana vyano tathevacha nagaha kurmascha krukaro devadatto dhananjaya. That means prana, apana, samana, udana, vyana, naga, kurma, krukara, devadatta and dhananjaya are the airs in the body. Now the places of airs in the body. In Gheranda Samhita we find the places of the 5 major airs. It is like this. हृदय प्राण बहे नित्यम अपान उदमंडले समानो नाभिदेशे तु उदान कंठमध्यगः व्यानो व्याप्य शरीरे तु प्रधानः पंचपायवः. That means prana flows in the chest area, apana in the anal area, then samana in the navel area, then udana in the throat area, then vyana in the whole body. Then places of minor airs in the body, we do not find it in the Gheranda Upanishad. In Darsana Upanishad, we find it. In the Darsana Upanishad says, Nagadi Bhayabha Pancha Tog Asti Adisu Samstita. That means Naga, Kurma, Krukara, Devadatta and Dhananjaya, these 5 airs, they live. They remain in the skin and bones. Skin and bones are the places of the 5 minor airs. Now we come to the functions of the airs. First is prana. Prana does the respiration and coughing. Nishwasotshwasa kasascha prana karma hi sankrute. Then number 2 is apana. Excretion of stool and urine is the function of apana vayu. Apanakhyasya vayostu binmutradi visarjanam. Then number 3 is samana. Samana brings things together. Samana sarva samipyam karoti munipungava. Then comes the udana. Udana causes upward movement. Udanam buddha gamanam karotyeva na sangsaya. Then 5 is vyana. Vyana produces sound. Vyana binada krut prokta mune vedanta vedivi. Vyana causes produce of sound. Then there is the vayu naga. It causes vomiting. Udgaradi gunaha prokta nagakhyasya mahamune. Then there is Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya causes good appearance, etc. Dhananjayasya sobhadi karma proktam hisankrute. Then there is Kurma. Kurma causes twinkling of eyelids. Nimilanadi kurmasya. Then Krukara. Krukara causes appetite. Kyudatu krukarasya cha. Then there is Devadatta. Devadatta causes drowsiness. Devadattasya viprendra tandri karma prakritita. This information is found in Darsana Upanishad. Now in Gheranda Samhita we find the functions of the 5 minor airs only. So it is like this. Udgare naga akhyata kurmastunmilane smutah krukar akhyat krute gyeyo devadatto binjrumbhane najahati sute kwapi sarvavyapi dhananjaya. The naga causes vomiting, kurba causes opening and closing of eyes, krukara causes sneezing, devadatta causes yawning, dhananjaya remains in the body even after death. This is according to this information is according to Gheranda Samhita. Now, how to sit for pranayama? Sukhasane chopavisya prangmukho vapyudang mukha. One should sit on some comfortable asana. One should sit in some comfortable asana. Then should face either east or to the north direction. Why east and north? East is the place of sunrise. Sun is the source of all energy. The practitioner receives energy by facing to the east. Then comes the north. Himalaya is in the north. It is the place of Lord Shiva, who is the Yogeshwara. It is the place of many yogis, rishis, etc. The practitioner receives spiritual energy by facing to the north. Now use your fingers to do pranayama. The Gheranda Samhita says, Purakante kumbhakantang dhruta nasa putadvayam kanishtanamika ngusthaihi tarjani madhyame vina. That means one should use kanishtika or little finger, anamika ring finger and the angushta thumb during kumbhaka. Therefore, the tarjani or the index finger and the madhyama middle finger must not be used to do kumbhaka. So the right nostril is pressed by the angushta or thumb and left is pressed by the kanishta or kanishtika or the little finger and anamika or ring fingers. 3 fingers are used, 2 fingers are not used. Now kinds of pranayamas or kinds of kumbhakas, because kumbhaka is pranayama. According to Gheranda Samhita, kumbhakas are 8 in number. It is like this. Sahitah surya bhedascha ujjai sitali tatha vastrika bhramari musha kevalityashtakam kumbhikaha. Sahita, Surya Bheda, Ujjayi, Sitali, Bhastrika, Bhramari, Mursha and Kevala or Kevali are the 8 kumbhakas. Again, Sahita, number 1 is Sahita, number 2 is Surya Bhedana or Surya Bheda, number 3 is Ujjayi, then Sitali, Bhastrika, Bhramari, Mursha and then Kevala kumbhaka or Kevali kumbhika. Now let us see what are the names and numbers? What is the number and what are the names of pranayamas given in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, because the Hatha Yoga Pradipika is a very important book of Hatha Yoga. It says Surya Bhedanam Ujjayi Sitkari Shitali Tatha Vastrika Bhramari Mursha Plavi Nityashta Kumbhakaha. The number and the names are like this. Surya Bhedana, Ujjayi, Sitkari, Sitali, Vastrika, Bhramari, Mursha and Plavini. These are the 8 kumbhakas or the 8 pranayamas according to Hatha Yoga Pradipika. 3 tiers of pranayama or 3 stages of pranayama. Pranayama is divided into 3 categories according to its duration, which is counted by matras. Number 1 is Adhama Pranayama, second is Madhyama Pranayama and the third is Uttama Pranayama. Uttama Vingshatir Matra, Shodasi Matra, Madhyama, Adhama Dvadasi Matra, Pranayama Siddhas Smutaha. Adhama Pranayama is of 12 matras. Puraka is of 12 matras, then Kumbhaka is for 48 matras, then Rechaka is for 24 matras. This is Adhama Pranayama. Then Madhyama Pranayama is of 16 matras. The Puraka is 16 matras, the Kumbhaka is 64 matras, the Rechaka is 32 matras. It is called Madhyama Pranayama. Then there is Uttama Pranayama. In Uttama Pranayama, the Puraka is 20 matras, Kumbhaka is 80 matras, and Rechaka is 40 matras. Now what is Matra? Matra, we get the definition in 2 ways. In Markandeya Purana, we find this definition. निमेषोन मेषेण मात्रा कालो लघ्वक्षरं तथा प्राणायामस्य संख्यातं स्मृत द्वादश मात्रिकः. That means matra is the time required for closing and opening of the eyes, or time required to utter a short vowel like a, e. These are short vowels. The time which is required to utter a short vowel is the time of matra. Then there is another kind of definition. We find it in Yoga Tattva Upanishad. It says, Janu Pradakshini Krutya na dutang na bilambitang angulispotanang pujyasa matra parigiyate. That means time taken to move the hand round the knee and snapping the fingers is called matra. However, for pranayama, the first counting is accepted widely. Now, Siddhis in 3 stages of pranayama. In Adhama, Madhyama and Uttama pranayama. Or we may say that science of 3 stages of pranayama. Adhama jayate dharmo, meru kampascha madhyamat, uttamacha bhumityagas trividhang siddhi lakshanam. Siddhi in the lower pranayama is sweating. The body sweats. When the body sweats, it should be known that the lowest pranayama or adhama pranayama is attained. Then in the madhyama pranayama, how to know that you have reached the state of madhyama pranayama? Throbbing in the body. If there is throbbing in the body, especially in the spinal cord, then it is madhyama pranayama. Then siddhi in the highest pranayama, that is uttama pranayama. The body can be raised by the practitioner above the ground. The body hangs in the air without any support from the ground. So these are the 3 siddhis. These are very small siddhis in the 3 stages of pranayama. Now higher siddhis of pranayama. There are yet higher and highest siddhis of pranayama. In Gheranda Sangita we find this sloka, Pranayamat Khecharattam, Pranayamat Roga Nasanam, Pranayamat Bodhayat Shakting, Pranayamat Manon Mani, Ananda Jayate Chitte, Pranayami Sukhi Bhavet. In the second line there is a spelling mistake, Pranayamat Bodhayat Shakting. That is the correct spelling, Pranayamat. So, what are the siddhis of pranayama? Higher siddhis of pranayama. Number 1, diseases are destroyed, pranayamat roganasanam. Then, pranayamat khecharattam, movement in the air. The pranayami or the practitioner of pranayama can hang in the air or move in the air. Then, number 3, pranayamat bodhayat shakting. Kundalini Shakti is roused by the practice of pranayama. Then pranayamat manon mani, the yogi attains the state of samadhi if he practices pranayama regularly. Then the mind is full of bliss, ananda jayate chitte. His mind is full of bliss. Then number 6, practitioner of pranayama becomes happy man, pranayami sukhi bhavet. So our ultimate goal is to attain happiness or to be liberated from all kinds of sorrows. Here, by practicing pranayama, practice of pranayama facilitates the way to attain happiness, eternal happiness. So there is a word that is called manonmani, unmani. Pranayamat manonmani. This is number 4, attain state of samadhi. Pranayamat manonmani. What is manonmani? Let us explain. Manonmani is a synonym of samadhi. In Hatha Yoga Pradipika, we find various synonyms of samadhi, and manonmani is one of them. The sloka is like this: Raja Yoga Samadhischa Unmani cha Manonmani Amaratvam Layas Tattvam Sunya Sunyam Parang Padam अमनस्कं तथा द्वैतं निरालंबं निरंजनं जीवन मुक्तिश्च सहजा तुर्या चेत्य एकवाचकाः. So Raja Yoga is a synonym of Samadhi. Then Samadhi, Unmani, Manonmani, Amaratva, Laya, Tattva, Sunya Sunya, Parapada, Amanaska, Advaita, Niralamba, Niranjana, Jivan Mukti, Sahajavastha, Turyavastha are synonyms. So Unmani or Manonmani is a synonym of Samadhi. Now what is Samadhi? Samadhi is the state of Chitta Vritti Nirodha. When the vrittis are stopped, either fully stopped or the vrittis come to the mind according to the choice of the yogi. That is the state of Chitta Vritti Nirodha. That is, in other words, it is called Samadhi. Pranayama leads the state of Samadhi. And Samadhi is the goal of all yogic activities. Why should one reach the state of Samadhi? Another name of Samadhi is Yoga. Yoga itself is known as Samadhi. Now, knowledge is attained only when one reaches the state of Samadhi. And why should one attain? Why should one gain knowledge? What is the necessity of knowledge? Knowledge gives liberation. Liberation from all types of sorrows for all time to come. In other words, it is called mukti. Therefore, pranayama is a very important step of yoga. It leads to chitta vritti nirodha or samadhi, and by reaching samadhi, one gets the knowledge, and by knowledge, one gets the liberation. Thank you. Thank you for listening to this lecture. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. I shall be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.